Look at this phantom wallet, $3.1 million all from launching meme coins. No wild luck, no hype, just a repeatable method. Stay tuned, I'll walk you through every single step. Why launch meme coins instead of trading them? Because trading is a gamble, and launching is a whole system. Think about it. When you buy, you're hoping for someone else to buy after you. But when you launch, you set the stage, you mint the coin, drop it in a pool, and let the market come to you. The entry cost is basically zero. The upside is fucking massive. And the process is fully repeatable. There's no guessing, no signal groups, no waiting for calls. It's just execution. Every time I run this play, I profit. Because I'm not reacting to the market, I'm creating it. By the way, this video was made for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Bye. Now everyone flocks to Pump.Fun because it looks simple, but the reality is it's oversaturated, trust me. Thousands of coins are flooding in non-stop, and yours gets buried before anyone even sees your coin. On top of that, you don't control your own liquidity, which means you have no real power over your own launch. That's why I switched to create tokens.io. It launches straight onto Raydium, gives you full control from day one, and your coin graduates instantly. So it's visible, tradable, and ready to pull buyers without wasting any time. Now when you are ready to launch a coin on create tokens.io, you've got two options. First is the classic method, build your own coin from scratch. So go on Twitter or on any social media platform and pick a viral idea. It could be a trending meme, a celebrity moment, or something blowing up on Twitter, literally anything. Then give it a name, for example, symbol, and drop in a quick 128 by 128 meme coin logo. Click through next, confirm, and your token is ready to move forward. But here's my favorite method, the faster, the more profitable route. The copy trending coins tab. This section posts coins already getting traffic and attention. You just click the copy and your version launches directly on Raydium with instant buyers flowing in. No guesswork and no fucking delays. You are tapping into proven hype. All these coins are fucking insane. Both methods work, but that second one, that's where I've seen the quickest flips and the biggest profits happen. Alright, let's cut the warm up. It's time to fire up a new coin right now. So make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the site. Then refresh this to have all the new fresh coins. And we're gonna copy a coin that looks half decent. I think I'm gonna go with the Inudex coin. It has a last buy under 5 seconds ago, so it looks good. Crit coin. And then click, ignore the warning, just proceed, confirm, _, confirm, then the coin should be created shortly. Then click on create liquidity pool. Now here's where we give your coin life, adding liquidity so anyone can jump in and trade it instantly through Raydium. Now there's two simple steps. For the amount token A right here, just drop 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Now the token B is basically you planting the first seed in your own project. You are buying in first, which means the money stays in your pocket. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and you'll put it back when you close the pool. Okay, so once again, you're gonna get this money back later on when you remove the liquidity pool. I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL and then click on create pool. Then you should be able to just click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Inudex coin is now live. Our profits are at $0. But if you simply re-click on refresh, now we're up $170. Click on view on photon to see the chart. I'm gonna go on full screen for you guys, and then just wait for it to load because it is kind of fresh. These should be late buys. And now all you should be doing right now is just wait, watch the coin pump, and I'll be right back when the time is right, so be right back. Okie dokie guys, I am back. We are at a $3,000 market cap and 1.5k in liquidity. Now it should be the perfect time to cash out profits. So make sure to come back to createtokens.io and first of all, click on refresh. And boom, now we're up $1.6 thousand because it is at a $3,000 market cap. So I think it's a good time to, make some money. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. And as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8 to 9. So it does fluctuates, but then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you print money from launching coins. If I open my Phantom Wallet for proof, boom, 1.6 grand straight inside my wallet.